Okay, so Timothy sees the following advertisement: cash, cash, cash right now. Take out a payday loan. Pay us back on payday. Okay, costs 1% per day, compound interest. Right, so these loans are very popular. You see them on adverts. Okay, they are around where basically if you were short of cash, okay, and you don't get paid till the end of the month, right, then you can take out a sort of a quick loan. It's called a payday loan, right? So in other words, you can pay it back when you get to payday, right? That's why it's called payday loan. So usually the interest rate's quite high. So when you look at this here, 1%, it doesn't sound very much, but because it's per day compound interest, it actually builds up to quite a lot, okay, over a number of days, right? That's why you've got to be really careful about payday loans. So when it says here, Timothy knows that he'll be paid in exactly 4 weeks' time, £500, okay, is what he borrows. How much will he have to pay back after 4 weeks? Okay, so if he borrows £500, now be careful with this here. 4 weeks, of course, because it's compound interest per day. That would be 4 lots of 7 days, so 28 days. Okay, so that's really important there, isn't it? All right. Now, if we think about the idea here of the £500 representing our 100%, okay, that's what he starts with, isn't it? That's what this company gives him, and then we need to add on 1%, right? That's really important because he's going to pay back more, isn't he? If you think about it, he's got to pay back this company a lot more than £500 in order to pay off the loan. The company want to make a profit, so we need to add on 1%, and that comes to 101%, which is 1.01. Okay, now 1.01 is what our multiplier is. So we need to times it by 1.01 for the amount of days that he has it for. He has it for 28 days, so I need to times by 1.01 and so on 28 times. But it's easier just to write that. The power 28. 500 times 1.01. Power button is there, right? 28. And it comes to, there you go, £660. And if we round it there, we need, be careful to round 65, isn't it? Is that's what he's paying back. So that's our answer. We've done it, right? We've done it. He needs to pay back all of that, yeah? So he pays back £660, 65. He's a lot, right? Of course, you could work out how much interest he's paying. There's £160 interest, 65. Okay, but they want to know how much he's paying back in total, which of course is all of it. Okay, so it's quite a lot of interest there when you think about it. Okay, because for borrowing that money just for 4 weeks.